Hi everybody, this is Miss Hannah from Culpeper County Library, and I'm here with a craft for you today. Today we are going to make bubble snakes. Now bubble snakes are super fun and they're great for outdoors, so you should definitely try this out on a nice warm sunny day. What you're going to need is a water bottle, a rubber band, a washcloth or dishcloth, some scissors or a knife. Make sure that you use an adult to help you with this. Some bubble mixture. We're going to make our own using dish detergent. And you could use some food coloring if you'd like to, but you don't have to. It just makes it a little more fun. If you use food coloring, make sure that the washcloth or dishcloth you're using is one that you don't mind getting stained. We'll also need a bowl and a spoon to mix up our bubble mixture. So first things first, we're going to get rid of the cap. We don't need that. Secondly, we're going to cut off the bottom of the bottle. Again, make sure you get an adult's help with this. Poked a hole in it, and then I'm just going to cut off the bottom. There we go. That was easy. Now you can just throw this away or recycle this. Now, you're going to take your dishcloth and you're going to put it over the bottom of the bottle. Like so. Take your rubber band and put it around the dishcloth to hold it in place. Now I found that it's easier if you take these ends and you kind of tuck them into the rubber band so that they don't get in the way. Like that. Now you're going to take your bubble mixture and pour it into a bowl. We have to make our own bubble mixture using dish soap. So I'm going to take some dish soap and put it into the bowl. You want to make sure you put a pretty good amount in. And then take some water, put some water in the bowl, and stir it up so that it all combines. And there we go. Now we have bubble mixture. Make sure you keep some paper towels nearby or a towel in case you make a spill. Now, let's move on to the fun part. This is a good craft to do outside because it makes a big mess. But if you're going to be filming inside like I am, make sure that you lay down a tarp or a tablecloth. So here's the fun part, making the bubble snake. You're going to dip the end that has the dishcloth on it into your bubble mixture. And if you'd like to make colorful bubbles, put some food coloring onto the dishcloth first, which is what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go for some red. And it doesn't take much, just a couple drops. Put one drop on that side and one drop on that side. And then I'm going to do some, let's see, some yellow. Some red and some yellow. There we go. Now, dip this into the bubble mixture. As you can see, the colors are already starting to move around. Now, blow into the drinking spout of the bottle. Careful not to breathe in through the drinking spout or you'll suck the bubbles into the bottle and into your mouth. Make sure you just blow out through the bottle. I better move a little closer onto the tarp. There we go. Some bubble snakes. And the bubbles kind of stay on the tart for a long time, so it's a really good sensory thing to play with the bubbles too. Once it starts to stop making bubbles, then you just dip it again. How long can you make your bubble snake? Mine are not making very long bubble snakes. Maybe I need a little more dish soap in my bubble mixture. It does make a bit of a mess, so be careful. There we go. That sure is a fun experiment, or a fun craft, I mean. Let me show you the bubbles on the ground. Look at all those bubbles. Very fun to play with. Well, we hope that you really liked this craft, and if you give it a try yourself, make sure you take a video or a picture and tag us in it, or post it in the comments. We hope to see you in the library very soon. Goodbye!